Bitboy Crypto XRP News. XRP SEC cases biggest secret just discovered. Ripple's decision to go to court against the SEC rather than settle with the agency like many others has been well known. Known as Bitboy Crypto, the prominent YouTuber Ben Armstrong has lately given his thoughts on the Ripple SEC case. Bitboy has a lot to say on the Ripple SEC case in today's video. Today's video is going to be a bomb, so make sure you watch it all the way to the finish. Your daily dosage of XRP is here. A place for those who are interested in all things XRP related to keep up with the latest XRP news, predictions, and developments in the crypto industry. Subscribe to our newsletter. To keep up with the latest XRP news, please like our Facebook page. Join our weekly cash giveaway by enabling all notifications and commenting below. Prior to our discussion, let's check out the current XRP price on the 24th of November, shall we? Volatility in the market for XRP appears to be stable as shown by the price analysis chart, indicating that the cryptocurrency's value is unlikely to fluctuate significantly. There is a bullish trend in the XRP/USD market because the moving average curve is located above the price. Due to persistent market volatility and the bullish tendency of the market, asset values are expected to rise in value. According to the XRP price analysis graph, the upper and lower limits of the Bollinger's Band are shown to be $1.1063 and $1.02731, respectively. A reading of 4 to 4 on the RSI indicates that the asset's value is essentially flat, with no discernible upward or downward movement in sight. Overselling or underselling of investments is not an issue here. Here we go again. Let's get back to the subject. With each passing day, the probability that the SEC v. Ripple case will have a significant impact on the future of digital asset regulation and enforcement grows greater. Ripple's decision to go to court against the SEC rather than settle with the agency like many others has been well known. Defendants Chris Larson and Brad Garlinghouse of Ripple Labs may have taken the hard way out, but they are on a mission to alter the digital asset space, which includes attempting to limit the SEC role in cryptocurrency enforcement. When asked about the SEC hostile posture and its doubling down on regulation via enforcement, Ripple General Counsel Stuart Alderoty stated in an interview, "As the legal expert pointed out, Ripple is uniquely positioned in the United States to lead this discussion about the digital asset framework. Ripple isn't the only issue here. On behalf of the industry, we're taking on the government." Paper produced by Ripple argues for the creation of a framework for the ecosystem by regulators, legislators, and the industry. Our industry's special difficulties necessitate defined regulatory and licensing frameworks for cryptocurrency and blockchain technologies. Legal certainty for industry, markets, and consumers can only be achieved through this framework's proposed actions. Enforcement-based regulation is simply not an option. The chief executive of Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse, made the comments. A new term, investment contract asset, has been proposed by the Securities Clarity Act, SCA, which states that such assets are distinct from any securities offerings they may have been a part of. SCA Companion, the Digital Commodity Exchange Act, DC, has been designed to develop and enforce a government definition of digital commodity exchanges, similar to those in commodity derivatives markets. The CFTC would be charged with registering and overseeing these digital commodity exchanges. The blockchain expert is also supporting SEC Commissioner Hester Peirce's sandbox plan, which would allow network creators to debut their goods and develop their networks through token transactions for 3 years without having to register under federal securities rules. SEC Peirce's proposal would not require token transactions to be registered as securities if network maturity has been attained at the end of the 3-year timeframe. U.S. regulatory uncertainty has stifled innovation and potentially result in a brain drain from cryptocurrency and blockchain startups. We believe innovation sandboxes should be supported in order to encourage innovation and help build a clear and uniform regulatory framework for cryptocurrencies. As a matter of fact, increasingly, the talent drain referred to above is feasible since blockchain is gaining traction around the world and several governments are taking steps to promote their digital asset ecosystems. Last week, Binance announced that it would be investing $100 million in a blockchain research initiative in France. This month, J.P. Morgan's North America Equity Research Report focuses on XRP, even saying the digital asset is on the verge of massive adoption. In spite of the recent drop in XRP price, Ripple Labs has been hard at work acquiring new partners for its RippleNet network and on-demand liquidity service, thus spreading the use of XRP in particular for cross-border payments. According to the J.P. Morgan research, in order to facilitate Ripple's blockchain-based digital payment network, XRP was designed. Speedy payments and lower transaction fees are among the network's advantages. According to the paper, it was founded in 2012 and co-founded by Jed McCaleb and Chris Larson, who is a co-defendant in the XRP lawsuit filed by the SEC. Ripple's XRP transactions may be completed in just 3 to 5 seconds and transaction costs are merely 0.0001 XRP, while traditional money transfers can take up to 5 business days. There are many intermediary banks involved in SWIFT transfers that impose fees to both the sender and the recipient. Banking organizations, such as Bank of America and American Express, are part of Ripple's network of more than 100 financial institutions. When discussing XRP, the SEC v. Ripple litigation must be mentioned. J.P. Morgan, on the other hand, points to the Howey test as the end aim and gives away the possibility of Ripple's victory. Howey's test states that an investment contract is formed when the following 4 elements are met: the investment of money in a common company with the expectation of profit coming from the labor of others. Judge Sarah Netburn must find that all 4 of the aforementioned criteria are met for the SEC to win the litigation. If she finds that 1 or more criteria are missing, Ripple will win the claim. To put it another way, XRP is primed for huge adoption if the company can win the SEC lawsuit, and trading restarts on major cryptocurrency exchanges like Coinbase. When the SEC filed a lawsuit against Ripple in late 2020, despite Ripple's past efforts to ensure compliance with the regulatory environment, the legal battle began. Despite Ripple's complaints, the SEC appears to be uninterested in modifying the framework for the sake of a healthy digital asset economy. The company recently produced a document titled A Real Approach to Cryptocurrency Regulation, outlining their vision for how a practical regulatory framework could be established. A new term, investment contract asset, has been proposed by the Securities Clarity Act, SCA, which states that such assets are distinct from any securities offerings they may have been a part of. SCA Companion, the Digital Commodity Exchange Act, DC, has been designed to develop and enforce a government definition of digital commodity exchanges, similar to those in commodity derivatives markets. The CFTC would be charged with registering and overseeing these digital commodity exchanges. The blockchain expert is also supporting SEC Commissioner Hester Peirce's Sandbox plan, which would allow network creators to debut their goods and develop their networks through token transactions for 3 years without having to register under federal securities rules. SEC Peirce's proposal would not require token transactions to be registered as securities if network maturity has been attained at the end of the 3-year timeframe. That's all I've got for the time being. Final words? This is not a place where you can get particular financial advice, and we don't ask you to make any investments. This is simply a method for delivering instructional materials to your home. As a result, before making any financial commitments, we urge you to conduct extensive and diverse background research on the subject. I hope you enjoyed today's video, everyone. In addition, please follow us and give us a positive review. We'll see you on XRP Vault Hut next time. Goodbye.